She won't help me, guys. I'm trying to make a fire pit for you. You could help me. I'm blue, dabba dee dabba die, dabba dee dabba die, dabba dee dabba die.
What?
Okay, guys, so.
I don't know where that is.
Alright, so I'm gonna try to make the fire pit here, and then I will move the bench. Yeah, that's what she's gonna do. I'm gonna be carrying some big old rocks. I mean, I know Angie cannot help me. Maybe we can use the sauna, or I mean the, what's that called? Jacuzzi. Maybe I can use the jacuzzi as a fire pit and just burn the thing down.
Mommy, no.
I know, Angie. Good thing I can't see.
What?
Good thing I can't see nothing.
Good thing you can't see nothing?
Yeah,
Why?
because I know there's bugs in here. But I can't see them. You know I am doing this, guys, right? Because that freaking guy has not come yet. So I'm about ready to burn some of this wood. Yep. What I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna use it for marshmallows because it probably got stuff on it, but I'm gonna use regular wood for marshmallows. Let's try it. First of all, I need a light out here because I can't see nothing. Okay? We're gonna move you guys somewhere safe because I don't want you to burn up, you know? We're about to burn some stuff, Sally. We're about to burn some stuff, Sally. Right after I go get a beer. Just playing. Got it! Yeah. Alright. Let's try it. Ready?
What?
I'm doing it.
Ah!
Oh my gosh, the clothesline. I put the fire right over the clothesline. Darn it. Yeah. Know if I should make it like a tiki. Oh, it smells. Maybe that isn't wood. I thought that was wood from like pallets. Now I'm not sure that it is. It smells. Well, there's our fire.
Wait,
Go ahead.